All hail the beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we're back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Today, man, I am in my bag. Yeah, man, I'm in my dealer's bag because I got an unboxing and a first impressions. Look, man, I've been getting I won't say a lot, but I've been getting some requests for this fragrance, and I was like, man, I've been looking for it for months, and now I finally have it, which means I can finally get it to you, and I didn't want to waste another second. So, the fragrance that we are talking about today comes from the house of Paco Rabanne. And no, it's not pure XS, because you guys know I've been looking for that as well. This one is 1 million lucky. You are the winner. I'm in my dealer's bag. All right, so we in the bag, okay? What's up with the fragrances having these little things here lately? Like, Dior Sauvage Eau de Parfum came like this, and this was like it as well. I'm feeling lucky. All right, guys. I know you guys been, listen, man, I haven't been doing this because I've been doing like unboxings, and I hate breaking the box and unboxing because I want to keep it for the video, but sometimes I just gotta get the rage out. You don't get to live either. You know what the crazy part about fucking all these boxes is? I gotta clean it up. I gotta make the mess and clean it up. All right, so we're talking about this juice here today. This is 1 million lucky. This is the latest flanker of 1 million. You guys know 1 million was kind of legendary, still is legendary. It's like a clubbing, clubbing king, if you will. And this is the new version, man. So this is 100 ml. It cost me $94.16 with tax. So it was $88 to start off with, and it came out with this little bag, man. It's brown and gold, whatever. Let's get down to this fragrance, man. Obviously, this is different. Obviously, typically we have a gold bar, but now we have I'm gonna call this a platinum bar. Okay, this is a platinum bar with gold accents. We'll see how you smell. I hate when I spray it. It should spray automatically. You guys can't tell, but this one is good. My wife's face behind the camera says this is good. Here's one for you. What do you think about it? Is it good?
I would love to smell this one.
I hope she leaves that in there. You guys heard it here first. She would love to smell this one on me, which means she's gonna get the McNasty. That's all that means, fellas. Go buy it now! So obviously this is new. This is the 2018 release. This one doesn't smell like the original, which I like. So if you think about like Lamar, right? You get Ultra Mall, smells nothing like the original, which was good. This one smells nothing like the original, which is good, because the original was good, but this one is good as well, man. I like this one. I think the people over at Paco Rabanne classifies this one as a woody, fruity fragrance. It has like hazelnut, it has honey, it has sandalwood, and again, I looked at the notes on this one. I'm not like detecting this. It's amber, patchouli. I've already said patchouli. Has green plum, whatever green plum smell like. Have you ever seen a green plum? I've never seen a green plum in my life, but if it's in here, it smells great. This one, I enjoy this. I can dig this one. I can get jiggy with this. This is one I tell you go out and pay retail for, man. Do not wait for this one to hit the discounters. Like, first thoughts, I don't know how long this was gonna last, but if it's anything like the original, in terms of performance, you have nothing to worry about. This one is nice. It has to be the plum. It has to be the plum, because this one has that sweetness. It's not an overpowering sweetness like you get in the original 1 million. It's sweet, but it's not like, look at me! This one's like, yeah, I'm sweet. Yep, you wanna lick me. That's the kind of vibe I get from this one. Yeah, this one is sweet and fruity, man. I like it. Y'all well done. Bravo. Bravo. Like 1 million, the original 1 million, that's like heavy, right? So you gotta wear that like out. You know what I mean? That's like, this one is like more subtle, more subdued. I feel like you can wear this one to work and get away with it, right? I feel like you can definitely wear this to work and get away with it. If you like in school, right, you can wear this one to school and be A-okay. You're not going to kill anybody. I will wear this one to work. I will wear this one to work. Like no jokes. Man, this is nice. It's a really nice fragrance. Again, this is just, my initial thoughts and impressions on this one. I enjoy this thing here, man. Bottles, yeah, I like the original bottle better, even though I'm not a gold fan. Look, man, so you guys know how these first impressions go. I just kind of give you my initial thoughts and impressions. Like, I've been happy with this company so far this year. The 2018 release of Invictus Aqua, no, it wasn't the original Invictus Aqua, but it still smelled nice. This one, I don't know if I bought anything like designer that smelled better than this one so far this year. I haven't. I have not purchased a designer fragrance that smelled better than this one this year. This is nice. Like, I want to keep talking to you guys about it, but I know my time is like running thin here, all right? Official review is coming. I already fucked the box. Get you this and go fuck some boxes. That's all I got to tell you, man. I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that we all back again, and maybe, with your help, we can be 1 million strong, you know? That's all I'm saying. We'll get lucky, baby. Hit the goddamn bell.